Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a rapid operational walkthrough on exactly how to master the Fanvue platform, whether you're launching an active creator profile or navigating the interface as a premium subscriber. For creators looking to monetize their brand, your very first step is to visit the main portal, hit Register, and immediately navigate straight into your account identity verification dashboard, where you must upload valid government credentials to unlock your professional banking and payout channels. Once officially approved by the security team, head straight over to your price setting matrix to establish your base monthly subscription tier, toggle on your pay-per-view messaging permissions, and activate your private tipping triggers to build a highly optimized, multi-layered revenue framework. If you are leveraging artificial intelligence personas, make sure to access the Advanced Creator Toolkit, where you can seamlessly integrate custom voice models, upload extensive reference photo vaults, and set up your automated chatting agents to maintain deep interactive engagement around the clock. Conversely, if you are joining the ecosystem purely as a supportive subscriber, the interface operates with absolute simplicity. All you need to do is build a standard viewer profile, link a secure credit card or preferred cryptocurrency wallet, and use the central internal discovery tab to browse trending models, select a creator, and instantly purchase access to locked media feeds. Keep your profile securely locked down with two-factor authentication, monitor your engagement metrics weekly, and leverage this streamlined platform to maximize your digital subscription experience today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.